head and relaxing,
Uh-huh.
the more she gets warmed up. And she's in heat, that's part of this.
Oh, yeah.
It's a nice little cart.
Oh, that's one I want to buy.
You gotta have money for
Well, I'm gonna talk to him about it.
I warm her up kind of slow.
Good idea. Well, the nice thing about that one that he's on, it's got the springs in the seat. This is so hard to do because of my eyes being so bad.
She likes to dive in on these tight corners. She tries to throw a shoulder in.
Uh-huh.
So we've been really working under saddle about getting her to lift and round her.
Oh, yeah.
See how she tried to pick up her canter down here?
Oh, yeah. Hope this is picking his voice up.
When I take her to a bigger area or around the neighborhood, we don't have near the problem.
He wants to know if you want to sit in the cart.